Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and today is Tuesday, February 26th of 2019. We do have a couple of announcements for today. So first of all, I'm going to go to our February birthdays. So I want to send out a birthday celebrations to Samaje Cooper and also Sophia Hare. So hopefully you have some great birthdays, and Sophia's birthday is today, so have a wonderful day. We have one more birthday, actually two more birthdays to announce for tomorrow because we have a student who has a birthday on a leap year. So we will announce that student then also tomorrow. For our third grade, Mr. Sally wanted me to make sure that to give special recognition to our third grade students who reached their AR goal accomplishment for this trimester, which had been the second trimester. So these students, Lily Bone, Isabella Caro, Tyson Chapman, Parker Columbi, who is also the top point earner for this trimester, Michael Doherty, Haley Harsh, and Maya Hart. Congratulations on reaching your AR goal for this second trimester. Keep up the great work for this last trimester coming up, actually starting now. And then also I have a special video for our fifth graders for a conference called an Unconference for fifth grade students. So if you want to watch this, you might have seen it already, but it's kind of a short video and it'll be good for all of us to kind of watch it to kind of encourage some fifth grade students to participate. So that is coming up on March 16th. So I know there was information that was sent home to fifth graders about that. And also there's information on the Perry Facebook site too. And we do have some pause announcements from our first graders for today.
All right, boys and girls, we have students here from first grade today. So they're going to be going through things with our pause about different things, actually, that they wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, girls, for helping out with that. And then also for our lunch choices today, we have cheese-filled Bosco sticks, chili cheese Frito pie, and chef salad with Cheez-Its. I just noticed here in the lunch choice menu, everything starts with CH on the menu here. Cheese, chili, chef. Huh, interesting. At this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, girls, for that. And then let's everyone have a great Tuesday. Like I had mentioned yesterday during the morning announcements, it's a full week this week, but choices are yours, so let's make a great day today.